Hi, folks. Welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Simple and delicious is my motto. And who doesn't love lasagna? You know, when I think of a home cook that likes to cook lasagna, I think of somebody that comes from their heart when they cook because they like to cook for friends, family, and neighbors. Well, this recipe I'm going to share with you today, I put in beef and vegetables and a ricotta mixture that I put together that's got great flavors. We'll layer that in there. It's going to be outstanding. You're going to love it. Let's get to it. This recipe will make two 8 by 10 by 3-inch deep lasagnas. In a pan on a medium to high heat, add a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of diced onions, and saute until soft. Clear out a small area in the bottom of your pan and add 2 cloves of garlic, finely diced, a teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of pepper. Stir together for 1 minute and then we'll add our 1 pound of lean ground beef. Cook the ground beef until it's brown and drain any excess fat along the way. Our next item, marinara sauce, can be found in the grocery store. Put in 3 cups. If you want to find my homemade marinara sauce recipe, it's on episode 116 on In the Kitchen with Pete. Stir well and we'll set this mixture aside. Now let's get to our vegetable mixture. In a pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 zucchini diced, and 8 to 10 sliced mushrooms. Saute this for 4 to 5 minutes to soften up. Clear a small area in the bottom of the pan and add 1 clove of garlic, finely diced, 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Stir in for 1 minute and then add 1.5 cups of marinara sauce. Mix this well and set aside. If you want to save some layering, you can mix this up directly with your meat sauce. And now for our ricotta mixture. In a bowl, add 1 cup of frozen spinach. Make sure the spinach is thawed, squeeze dry with a paper towel. Add 16 ounces of ricotta cheese, 8 ounces of herb and garlic cream cheese, and 1.5 cups of cottage cheese. That'll lighten it up a bit, and mix thoroughly with a fork. The pan is 10 inches by 8 inches by 3 inches deep. Apply a light layer of cooking spray and let's start off with our marinara sauce. Spread that around the bottom. Lay down the first layer of noodles. These are the oven-ready lasagna noodles. No boiling necessary. Then our next is our ricotta mixture. Spread a generous amount of that on top of the noodles. Then a layer of the meat mixture. And then next we'll add a layer of the vegetable mixture. A second layer of the lasagna noodles. A layer of ricotta cheese mixture. A layer of the meat mixture. A layer of the vegetable mixture, a third layer of lasagna noodles, then our ricotta mixture, then our meat mixture, vegetable mixture, and our last layer, the fourth layer of lasagna noodles. Put a generous amount of marinara sauce on top. Top with shredded cheese. It's your choice. You can use a mozzarella, or I've got a 3-cheese Italian that has mozzarella, provolone, and Parmesan cheese mixed all together. Gives it some great flavor. Cover with tin foil and then into the oven 350 for 50 minutes. When that comes out, remove the foil. You can add some more sauce and cheese if desired, and back into the oven for 10 minutes, and then let rest before we cut into it. There it is, fresh out of the oven. I like lots of sauce, as you can see on mine. Let's cut up a piece. Look at the delicious layers of meat and vegetables, pasta, cheese. Oh my, looks so delicious. Well, I hope you get to enjoy this with your family and friends and neighbors. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I put one out every Monday. Just hit that little red subscribe button and you'll get notified. Oh boy, it smells so delicious. It's time to try it. Oh man. We've hit all the food groups on this one. That delicious cheese ricotta mixture and the vegetables, the pasta, it just all comes together. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya. Living life the way I do. It's got a beautiful mixture, and we layer it in between the lasagna.